What's going on, Fort McMurray? It's your boy Jeff up here at Legacy Dodge, your #1 automotive sales professional. And it's a Whiteboard Wednesday where I go over all the numbers, facts, and figures in your new or used car deal so that way you can proceed with confidence. Now, last week I talked about some of the reasons why I believe leasing is a really smart way to buy. This week I'm going to talk about why I believe you should buy a pre-owned vehicle off our inventory. And next week, get ready, I'll be talking about the top reasons to buy a brand new vehicle. So let's just get into today's video. Why buy a pre-owned vehicle? Well, the #1 and most obvious reason to buy a pre-owned vehicle is a lower purchase price. There's an old urban myth that as soon as you drive a vehicle off the lot, it loses 10 grand. So why be the guy that pays 10 grand more when a pre-owned vehicle, just for the fact that it's pre-owned, you can save drastically on your purchase price. #2, little to no maintenance, okay? When you buy a brand new vehicle, there's going to be no maintenance whatsoever for the first foreseeable future. However, as the vehicle gets older, you're going to see some more maintenance costs. A 20-year-old vehicle is going to have a lot of maintenance costs. A 10-year-old vehicle is going to have some maintenance costs. But if you buy a vehicle and you get that sweet spot where you can get a pre-owned price, but like new, no maintenance, well, now we're talking. #3, AMVIC inspected and certified. At Legacy Dodge, we are an AMVIC dealership, which means your purchase is completely protected by a third party, all right? We have very strict laws and standards to the quality of pre-owned vehicles we can put on the road. We check everything the eyes can see as well as everything the eyes cannot see to make sure these vehicles are like new for you and your family, and you know that you are driving a safe, reliable, and dependable vehicle. #4, smaller obligation. Well, when you borrow less, that means that you owe less. So if you changed your mind after 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever else it is, you're not going to have as much money owing on your loan, whereas you would with a brand new vehicle. So upgrading is significantly easy. #5, previous customers' ads. Usually when our pre-owned vehicles get traded in, they've already got all-weather floor mats. You just saved $300 there. They've already got mud flaps. You save $500 there. They've already got a box liner. You save $1,000 there. They've already got a tonneau cover. $1,500 there. And the list goes on and on. Many of our pre-owned vehicles have aftermarket ads like wheels and tires and headache racks and running boards, things that you would have to pay out of your pocket on a brand new vehicle. And last but not least, here in Fort McMurray, we live in the land of the barely used vehicles, which means our pre-owns are in better condition than any of the pre-owns anywhere in the entire country. So, if you want to see your dollar go further, you get a like new vehicle for a pre-owned price. Give me a call or shoot me a text at 416-523-6585. I'll help you find one of the hidden gems off our lot. Look forward to hearing from you. Let your legacy start right here.